Once upon a time, in China, there was an emperor. He liked music. He wanted a nightingale because nightingales sing beautifully.
I want a nightingale. I want to listen to its song.
Yes, Your Majesty.
The emperor had a nightingale. He was very happy. Everyone heard the nightingale's beautiful song. One day, a box arrived for the emperor. It was a present from the Emperor of Japan. A mechanical nightingale.
Oh, listen. It sings beautifully too.
They're great.
I'm so happy. Now I've got 2 nightingales.
The nightingale was sad. The next morning, it went back to the forest.
I must go home.
Oh no! The nightingale is flying away.
It's okay. I've got the other nightingale.
One day, the mechanical nightingale stopped singing. The emperor called a doctor.
Oh no! What's wrong? It doesn't sing anymore.
I'm sorry, I can't do anything.
The emperor was sad all the time.
I want my nightingale back.
The emperor was ill for days. Suddenly, he heard music. The nightingale was at the window.
What is this music? Is it my nightingale?
Yes, it's me. I can sing for you every day, but my home is in the forest.
The emperor was happy again. Every morning, the nightingale sang for him, and then it went back to the forest.
Thank you, nightingale. Go back home now.